Next, we're going to move on to programming and infusion, and we're going to use the IV fluid normal saline. First thing you want to do is place your tubing into the line A tubing guide. We talked about that earlier. And then make sure your safety clamp, which is for additional free flow protection, is in the open position. Now we're going to turn the device on with our blue button, on-off button. It'll run through some diagnostics first. First clinical question is asked, is this a new patient? So looking at your arrow keys, soft keys, you're going to press yes. And then the CCAs, the clinical care areas we talked about, are listed below. This 1 of 3 just means that there's 3 pages of CCAs. For demonstration purposes, we're going to use ICU. So I will use my select keys to scroll down to ICU, and it'll be highlighted. And then looking at the soft keys, right here is where it says choose. So now I'm in the ICU CCA. So I'll reach over with my soft key and select A because that's the line that I have loaded. So the way you access the drugs in this library is you're going to type in the letters that they begin with. So because I'm doing IV fluids, the way this drug library is set up is that because there's multiple line items for IV fluids, normal saline, half normal saline, D5, etc., they're listed as just IV fluids. So I'm going to type in, using my alphanumeric keys, the 4 key, and I'm going to tap it 3 times, GHI, to get to IV fluid. And then it will sort, and it actually happens to be the first one, so I will choose that one. And then now it's telling you that we need to put in our parameters. Rate is highlighted, so I'm just going to do a small rate of 25. And then I'm going to arrow down with my select keys, and I'm going to put in the volume to be infused. And I typically recommend underestimating to like 950, 975, just so you don't run your bag dry. So I'll put in 975. And then it automatically calculates the duration that it will take that to complete. So by doing that, it's telling me in this prompt bar, start, to start that infusion, which is your green key right there. So we'll press start. My prompt says yes. Go ahead and press the soft key, yes. And remember our flow indicator here, it's now blinking, indicating that my infusion is indeed running.